Have you ever heard of supercomputers? Imagine a computer so powerful it can do calculations in a second that would take you millions of years. That's what supercomputers are, the champions of the computing world. They are like the superheroes of the digital age, capable of doing things that regular computers can only dream of. They're not just faster, they're in a whole different league. But why should we care about these superpowered machines? Because they're not just about crunching numbers, they're about changing the world. From predicting the weather to developing life-saving medicines, supercomputers are helping us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. They're like giant digital brains that help scientists and engineers tackle really complex problems. Think of things like understanding climate change, designing new materials, or even finding cures for diseases. In this exciting journey, we'll explore the fascinating world of supercomputers. We'll learn what they are, how they work, and why they're crucial for shaping our future. Get ready to be amazed. So, what exactly makes a supercomputer so super? It all comes down to three key things: incredible speed, massive processing power, and a unique design built for heavy lifting. Imagine a super-fast car. That's the speed of a supercomputer. It can perform trillions of calculations per second, making your laptop look like a snail in a race. This incredible speed allows them to process vast amounts of data quickly, which is essential for solving complex problems. Next, think about the engine of that car. That's the processing power of a supercomputer. They use thousands, even tens of thousands of processors working together like a massive team, all pulling in the same direction. Finally, picture a sleek aerodynamic design. That's how supercomputers are built. Every part, from the cooling system to the way they're connected, is optimized for maximum performance. These powerful machines are designed to handle the toughest computational tasks, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The journey of supercomputers is a fascinating tale of innovation and progress. From humble beginnings to today's technological marvels, these machines have come a long way. The first supercomputers, built in the 1960s, were behemoths, often taking up entire rooms. They used vacuum tubes and were much slower than today's smartphones. Over time, transistors replaced vacuum tubes, making computers smaller and faster. The 1980s saw the rise of vector processing, further boosting performance. Then came parallel processing, where multiple processors worked together, dramatically increasing computational power. Today, supercomputers continue to evolve at an incredible pace, with each generation pushing the boundaries of speed, efficiency, and capability. From those early room-sized machines to today's sleek and powerful systems, supercomputers have revolutionized scientific research and technological advancement. Now let's peek inside the brain of a supercomputer and see how it actually works. Imagine a team of brilliant minds working together seamlessly. That's the magic of parallel processing. Instead of one central processor doing everything, supercomputers have thousands of processors, all working in sync. It's like having a massive orchestra, with each instrument playing its part to create a harmonious symphony of computing power. These processors are connected through a high-speed network, allowing them to communicate and share information rapidly. This teamwork enables them to tackle massive problems by dividing them into smaller tasks, solving them simultaneously, and then combining the results. Think of it like building a giant jigsaw puzzle. One person would take forever, but with many people working together, each focusing on a different section, the puzzle is completed much faster. That's the power of parallel processing in supercomputers. In the world of supercomputers, speed is king. And just like Olympic athletes, these machines are ranked based on their performance. The top 500 list, updated twice a year, names the fastest supercomputers on the planet. It's a constantly evolving competition, with nations and institutions vying for the top spot. Imagine a global race to build the most powerful computing machine, pushing the limits of technology further with each new champion. Some of the current leaders include Fugaku from Japan, known for its massive scale and speed, Summit from the United States, a powerhouse in artificial intelligence, and Sierra, another US champion excelling in scientific simulations. These names represent the pinnacle of supercomputing achievement. The top 500 list is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of computational power. It highlights the incredible capabilities of these machines and their significance in advancing science and technology. Supercomputers are not just about breaking speed records, they're powerful tools that are changing the world in countless ways. From predicting natural disasters to developing life-saving drugs, their impact is far-reaching and, honestly, pretty profound. Imagine predicting hurricanes with incredible accuracy days in advance, giving people time to prepare and potentially saving countless lives. That's the power of supercomputers in weather forecasting. They analyze vast amounts of atmospheric data, helping meteorologists make more accurate predictions. In healthcare, supercomputers are accelerating drug discovery. They can simulate how different drugs interact with the human body at a molecular level, speeding up the process of finding cures for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. They're also aiding in personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their genetic makeup. Supercomputers are also the driving force behind artificial intelligence, enabling machines to learn, adapt, and solve problems like humans. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is transforming our lives, and supercomputers are at the heart of it. In space exploration, supercomputers are helping us unravel the mysteries of the universe. They process data from telescopes, simulate space missions, and analyze distant galaxies, expanding our understanding of the cosmos. And in national security, supercomputers play a critical role in cybersecurity, code breaking, and simulating complex scenarios to ensure national safety. These are just a few examples of how supercomputers are making a real difference in the world. Their ability to process massive amounts of data and perform complex calculations is helping us solve some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, the future of supercomputing promises even more exciting possibilities. One of the most groundbreaking developments on the horizon is quantum computing. Imagine a computer so powerful it could solve problems in minutes that would take classical computers billions of years. That's the promise of quantum computing. Instead of bits, which can be either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to the strange world of quantum mechanics. This allows quantum computers to perform calculations exponentially faster than classical computers, opening up new frontiers in medicine, materials science, artificial intelligence, and many other fields. While still in its early stages, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. It's a glimpse into a future where the power of computing knows no bounds. From the earliest days of room-sized calculators to today's sleek and powerful machines, supercomputers have always been at the forefront of human ingenuity. They represent our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our drive to solve complex problems, and our ambition to shape a better future. These incredible machines are no longer confined to research labs and universities. They're becoming increasingly accessible, empowering scientists, engineers, and innovators around the globe. With their unparalleled processing power, supercomputers are helping us address some of the most pressing global challenges, from climate change and disease to energy production and technological advancement. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of computing, with quantum technologies rapidly emerging, the potential of supercomputing seems, well, pretty much limitless. These powerful tools hold the key to unlocking new discoveries, driving innovation, and creating a brighter future for all. The journey of supercomputing is a testament to human collaboration, ingenuity, and our unwavering belief in the power of technology to solve problems and make the world a better place. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of supercomputers, from their humble beginnings to their awe-inspiring capabilities. We've seen how these powerful machines are shaping our present and hold the key to unlocking a brighter future. But this is just the beginning. The world of supercomputing is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and innovations emerging all the time. It's a field brimming with possibilities, full of opportunities for exploration and discovery. So I encourage you to keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions. The more we understand about supercomputers, the better equipped we'll be to harness their power for the benefit of humanity. The future is full of challenges, but with the power of supercomputing at our fingertips, there's no limit to what we can achieve. Let's continue to explore, innovate, and build a better tomorrow together.